On the basis of the confidential sources, 21 kg pure heroin was recovered from a vehicle bearing number MZ01X 7204 that was heading towards Tripura on Thursday night. The value of the seized heroin is 200 crore. Assam Kachar police arrested a drug dealer in the incident. Assam Kachar police has once again broke the record by arresting a pure heroin of worth 200 crore. On the basis of the confidential sources, 21 kg pure heroin was recovered from a vehicle bearing number MZ01X 7204 that was heading towards Tripura on Thursday night. The value of the seized heroin is 200 crore. Assam Special Task Force and Kachar police arrested a drug dealer in the incident. According to the details of the incident, it is known that 2 days ago, a secret information was sent to Assam Task Force official that huge quantity of heroin was smuggled to Tripura from Mizoram via Silchar Road. As soon as the information was received, Assam Special Task Force and Kachar police has been waiting for the particular vehicle at the Silchar Road. At the end, like it was reported on Thursday night, a vehicle bearing number MZ01X 7204 arrived at Silchar. Later, police started searching the vehicle and recovered 21 kg pure heroin from the vehicle. The value of the seized heroin is 10 crore rupees. But if it is mixed with the other powder with the heroin, that multiple types of heroin will form and the value will go up to 200 crore rupees. Assam Kachar police arrested a drug dealer in the incident.
An information was received about 10 days ago that a huge consignment of drugs would be taken from a neighboring state to the mainland, from where it would be supplied to some big cities. Therefore, we mounted a watch and we were keenly observing the developments. 4 days back, we received another information that a vehicle was being prepared to carry the drugs to the mainland. And 3 days back, this vehicle started its journey from a place which is about 3 days from this spot. Accordingly, we kept our police party. We were here in ambush, and the vehicle was intercepted here some 2 hours back. And we have searched the vehicle, found a man in the vehicle, and we have found huge contraband. We have found more than 21.5 kg of heroin in the vehicle, out of which 18 kg are of the purest form and 3.5 kg are finished products, so to say, ready for consumption. But the 18 kg are of the purest form, which needs to be cut, which needs to be further processed for consumption. And we have seized the vehicle, and we are doing the procedure now, the legal procedure, and the investigation has started. So we'll keep you updated as and when something comes back.
How much market rate is it?
See, this is worth at least 210 crores if you take 21.5 kgs into account. But 18 kgs, which is the purest form, will actually become triple of what it is now. So we are not going into that, but taking the seizure into account as it is, we can say that it is minimum 210 crores, because this 18 kgs will be mixed with other stuff, other material, which will finally become 50-60 kgs. So we are not going into that.
গতিকে আমি তাত খবৰ ৰাখিছিলোঁ আৰু সেই সূত্ৰে আহি আমি বিশেষ খবৰ সূত্ৰে আমি এই গাড়ীখন ইণ্টাৰচেপ্ট কৰোঁ আৰু ইণ্টাৰচেপ্ট কৰাৰ যেতিয়া চাৰ্চ অপাৰেশ্যন চলাওঁ তেতিয়া বৃহৎ পৰিমাণৰ নিচাযুক্ত সামগ্ৰী প্ৰায় এতিয়াও আমি এইবিলাক আমি এতিয়া জোখমাখ কৰি আছোঁ। এটা আপুনি প্ৰাৰম্ভিক পৰ্যায়ত দেখা গৈছে যে 21 কেজিতকৈ অধিক 21 কেজিতকৈ অধিক হিৰ'ইন নিচাযুক্ত সামগ্ৰী ইয়াত জব্দ হৈছে আৰু এই সামগ্ৰীখিনি আমি আইনগতভাৱে যিখিনি চিজাৰ আৰু প্ৰচিডিউৰ আমাৰ চলি আছে আৰু ইয়াৰ বজাৰ মূল্য বৰ্তমান সময়ত ইয়াৰ বজাৰ মূল্য যেহেতুকে এই যিখিনি নিচাযুক্ত সামগ্ৰী আছে হিৰ'ইন এইখিনি সম্পূৰ্ণৰূপে পিয়ৰ ফৰ্মত আছে সেই হিচাপতো যদি আমি চাবলৈ যাওঁ ইয়াৰ আজিৰ পৰিমাণ হ'ব প্ৰায় 210 কোটি টকা আৰু এতিয়ালৈকে আমাৰ যিখিনি অভিযান আছে আমি এজন ব্যক্তিক আমি ইতিমধ্যে গ্ৰেপ্তাৰ কৰিছোঁ আৰু বাকী আৰু অভিযান আমাৰ অব্যাহত আছে।
মানুহজনৰ নাম মানুহটো ক'ৰ পৰা আহি আছে?
মানুহজন আমাৰ চুবুৰীয়া ৰাজ্যৰ পৰা আহিছিলে আৰু এখন গাড়ী আপুনি দেখিব গাড়ীখনৰ MZ নাম্বাৰ মূল্যমৰ গাড়ী এই গাড়ীখন আমি ইণ্টাৰচেপ্ট কৰিছোঁ আৰু তাৰ এজন ব্যক্তি আমি তেওঁক যেতিয়া আমি ব্যক্তিজনক যেতিয়া আমি এপ্ৰিহেণ্ড কৰি খান তালাচী চলোৱা পৰ্যায়ত আমাৰ বৃহৎ পৰিমাণৰ এই নিচাযুক্ত সামগ্ৰী আমি জব্দ কৰিম।
মানুহজনৰ নাম কি আছে?
মানুহজনৰ নাম লাংথালাও বুলি নাম একগোটালয়কে তেওঁ কৈছে। আমি বাকী সোধপোছ তেওঁ চলাই আছোঁ।
ক'ৰ বাসিন্দা?
তেওঁ চুবুৰীয়া ৰাজ্যৰ বাসিন্দা।
Assam Qatar police lodged a case under NDPS Act against the arrested and presented him to the court on Friday. Besides, Assam Special Task Force and Assam police are now investigating the case to arrest the other related drug dealer with the incident. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.